KJM Quiz Show.
Does cracking your knuckles really give you arthritis? Mom said yes. Science says wait and see. We'll come back to Human Body Week. Let's flex those brain muscles. Number 1. Skeleton. Count them up. How many bones does an adult have? We start with more, but we end up with B, 206. Number 2. Growth. Speaking of numbers, who has more bones, a baby or an adult? Babies are born with about 300 bones that fuse together later. The answer is B, newborn baby. Number 3. Anatomy. It supports your weight. What is the longest bone in the body? It's the thigh bone. Letter C, the femur. Number 4. Dentistry. It's tougher than a rock. What is the hardest substance in your body? Brush them well. It is letter D, tooth enamel. Number 5. Connections. Don't get confused. What connects muscle to bone? Ligaments join bone to bone, but tendons join muscle to bone. Letter B. Number 6. Muscles. It helps you walk, run, and sit. What is the largest muscle? Don't sit on the answer. It's your butt. Letter C, the gluteus maximus. Last one, number 7. The bone myth. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? We've been warned for years, but the answer is B, no. That popping sound is just nitrogen gas bubbles bursting in the fluid of your joints. It might annoy people around you, but it won't give you arthritis. Did you crack your knuckles while watching? Comment your score below.
The KJM Quiz Show.